Hey everybody, welcome back. In the shop today we got this big box here. I wonder what's in it. Maybe we should open it and find out. So we got our big box here. Came on the truck this morning from Speedy Delivery. Let's open this bad boy up, see what we got. Can you guess what it is? Oh, corn planter parts. Look at that. So we're gonna go through the corn planter and rebuild the bottom end. We got us some new gauge wheels here, disc openers, chains, bushings, and other stuff. Scrapers, pivot shafts, all kinds of good stuff. Hey everybody, welcome back. In the shop today, got the 8-row 5100 corn planter out, unfolded. Use the old trusty 6600 to unfold it. So, I'm gonna go through the old girl here and give it some much needed attention, get it ready for plant 24. So I kind of went through and started pulling a few things off. Took the depth adjusters out on the first 3 rows. But what we're gonna do here is go through. Some of the gauge wheels are pretty sloppy, so we're gonna rebush here. And then new disc openers, new bushings here on the closing wheel arms. And then replace the gauge wheels. Some of the tires are pretty wore. I don't know, a couple of them have cracks in them. I can't find one when I show one, but that's what we're gonna do. So went through, got new gauge wheels piled up here. Got new marker discs. These are pretty wore down. And there's all the new disc openers, new chains for the row units. So, you know, she's older, but I still think it's a good planter, and I think it's worth going through and placing some wear parts and using her for a few more years. Alright, so now I got all my depth handles out. So now I gotta go through and take out all these bolts here. Hooks onto the big down pressure spring for the closing wheel assembly. So just use the old zip, take them out. Just like that. Okay, so this is how the corn planter here, if you don't know how this works. Between these two wheels, there's a set of steel discs that run together that actually kind of cut into the ground, and they open up a trench. And then down here, where the orange piece is, I don't know if you can see it, the seed falls out in front of it that's created by the discs. These gauge wheels pivot, and that's what sets your depth. And that's where this screw I took out of the back, that sets your planter depth. And coming along here, this I added on. This is a furrow V closer, so it's a little disc that angles. It crumbles the seed trench shut, and then the big wheel, the wheel here, which would be spring loaded, but I took the bolt out of it, actually rolls over, and then it kind of pinches the ground back together and kind of tamps it down over the seed to get the contact to the soil. Okay, so I got all the closing wheels off, the tail wheels off. Got them all on the ground here. Just going down the line, doing every row down the line. Starting to, you know, just stack my parts here. Don't mind the pails of oil or the, you know, junk and stuff laying along the wall here. It's not a perfect shop. It's not a pretty shop. It's a functional shop where we work on our older farm equipment and keep it running. Alright, so we got the gauge wheels off, the tail wheel off. So we got the planter pretty much, you know, about halfway stripped down. So next we gotta take the rotary scrapers off and then take the disc openers off. I mean, some of the dust caps are missing. And actually, like this unit over here, the rotary scraper is missing. So it needs some work done to it, some attention done to it. So I think we're gonna break this up, do this in a couple parts. So we'll call this part 1 of the White 5100 corn planter rebuild series. So yeah, so next time we get together and have some fun in the shop, we're gonna pull those disc openers off, pull them scrapers off. We're actually going to replace these pivot shafts where the gauge wheels pivot on, and some other stuff. So yeah, we'll end it here. So thanks for watching. Have a good one. We'll catch you next time. Bye.